Okay, this one also has a press cramp in it. You're going to do your shuffle, step, heel. Then you're going to do a stomp where you're putting the foot flat on the floor and picking it right back up again. And then you'll do a crawl on each side. Shuffle, step, heel, press, cramp, stomp. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. You're going to start with that shuffle, step, heel. You're going to do your push cramp, but then you're going to do a stomp and pick the foot right up and then crawl. And then crawl again. Then you're going to start with the left foot. Shuffle, step, heel, push cramp, stomp, crawl. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. So walking through it slowly, it's going to be shuffle, step, heel, push, cramp, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, push, cramp, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Shuffle, step, heel, push, cramp, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, push, cramp, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and up. 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and up. 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and shuffle, step, heel, toe, heel, heel, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, toe, heel, heel, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Let's walk through it one more time. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and shuffle, step, heel, toe, heel, heel, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, toe, heel, heel, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. One and 2 and 3 and up. 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and up. 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and shuffle, step, heel, push, cramp, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Shuffle, step, heel, toe, heel, heel, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. One and 2 and 3 and up. 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and shuffle, step, heel, toe, heel, stomp, toe, heel, toe, heel,